Welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan, and today I'm excited to bring to you an unboxing of an ember mug. I have been very interested to see if this mug works, does what it's supposed to do, if it's worth it, and whether or not I would recommend it. So I thought first we'd start with an unboxing. Just a nice, quick, simple unboxing. So let's get this started. Well, let's not break it first. So to start, let's talk about the price of the ember. I actually purchased it while traveling into the United States. Now, I could not find it in Canada anywhere. It was $89, so $79.99 in the States. And I ended up paying what it ended up to being to me was $112 Canadian due to our $4. Here it is. Take a look at that box. Isn't that wonderful? So your new favorite mug. Experience the pleasure of drinking your coffee or tea in its perfect state, from the first sip to the last drop. Taste, temperature, and time. Enhance the flavor of your coffee or tea by choosing the temperature that tastes best to you. Temperature. Ember lets you customize your temperature, giving you total control over your drinking experience. Time. Enjoy a delicious cup of coffee or tea at your perfect temperature on your own time. Now, they call it a temperature-controlled ceramic mug, but of course I did a little bit more research before purchasing it, and in small print on the back it says, Ember ceramic mug is made of durable stainless steel with a reinforced ceramic coating. So, kind of interesting. And the requirements, you need an iPhone 4S or later, iPod Touch 5th generation or later, Android 5.0, and a BLE 4.0 or later. And it says in the box is an Ember ceramic mug, 10 ounces, and a charging coaster. So, looks like this pulls up. This pulls off. Another one over here. It's a little bit embossed on the top there, you can see. And now we pull it off. Very nicely displayed. That feels nice so far. Let's pull it out. Much heavier than I thought. Much heavier than I thought. And smaller than what I thought. It doesn't seem so small when you're looking at it like this. But the base inside goes up to about here. So this is wood, so we should be okay. We can see that it's about 4 1/4 inches tall. Look at that. 3 inches. So it's like 1 1/4 inches is the base. Crazy. So it has a lovely branding right on it. The handle feels okay so far. I think it definitely needs some testing. Emberpatents.com. Do not microwave, hand wash only. Charge me up before you turn me on. And it has this pull off sticker. I guess that's the power button. Let's see what's under here. So there's what they call the coaster. And it has these 2 little nubby things. Again, they're branding. And it states right on it, dry it well. Water can cause damage to the coaster, so dry your mug before placing it there. So you can see that right there. On the back is Ember. This feels plastic. The base is very grippy, and then that would be where the power cord goes. Let's get rid of that sticker. To set up the Ember, download the latest version of the app. Share your story. And the charging plug, again, branded Ember. There you go, quick unboxing of the Ember. I cannot wait to try this out. Give me a couple weeks and then I'll bring it back to you and let you know how it actually works, what I think of it, and if I would recommend it. Much heavier than I thought, much lighter than I thought on this side, and much smaller. So we'll see how I enjoy that and if it keeps my coffee or tea hot, and if it's worth $112 or $79.99 or $95 or $98 in USA. So we shall see. If you have any questions or you want to know anything about this, please leave me a comment down below. I would love to answer them for you and bring that back to you when I do the complete review. Yeah, so happy to do that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would of course mean the world to me. I would really appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, take care. Don't break these, Jan.